Hey there, I'm Eliza with Ancestral Evolution, and today we're going to be talking about natural soap versus commercial soap. My husband and I are unabashed soap snobs. We are very picky about the soap that we use, and this has led us to be making our own soap. So today I'm going to be talking about some of the reasons that we are so picky about the soap that we use, and reasons why you might want to be picky about the soap you use also. So first, many commercial soaps are actually detergents. They're not actually soaps. So detergents are going to strip more oils from your skin. They are more irritating in general than regular soap. And many detergents are non-biodegradable, and they do not break down easily in nature. Second, commercial soap does not contain retained glycerin. Now, glycerin is a natural product of the soap making chemical process. So when you make soap, it's a combination of a strong base and a fat. And when you put these two together, you get soap and glycerin. So any natural soap that's made has glycerin in it naturally. Glycerin, however, is a very valuable product. So many soap makers extract the glycerin out of that soap and then use it for other things or sell it. So many of the bars of soap that you get that are just commercial bars have the glycerin taken out of them that it would normally have. So the retained glycerin that is in natural soap is very moisturizing to your skin. Glycerin is what's called a humectant, which means it absorbs moisture from the air and brings moisture to your skin. So it is literally moisturizing. So you definitely want your soap to have retained glycerin in it. That makes a huge difference in terms of dryness and irritation in your skin. Third, so many commercial soaps contain harmful additives. What are these additives? Dyes, lathering agents, synthetic perfumes and fragrances of different types, preservatives, and also chemicals which are antibacterial. There are many of these compounds which have been shown to be endocrine disruptors, chemicals that disrupt your natural hormones in your body. Other additives have been linked to allergic reactions. Some others have been found to be carcinogenic. Even this brand of fancy bar soap, which purports to have been developed with dermatologists, has such things as phenoxyethanol and several different parabens in it, which are not great for you. Many of these chemicals and detergents have been shown to disrupt your natural skin microbiome or cause dysbiosis. Now, dysbiosis, most people are familiar with your gut microbiome as being really important for your health. Well, your skin has a microbiome too. You have a bunch of friendly bacteria on your skin all the time, and you want them to be there. They help maintain and protect your skin. When your skin microbiome gets disrupted, this increases your risk of infections in your skin. It increases your risk of inflammatory disorders such as eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, to name a few. And third, dysbiosis of your skin has been linked to skin cancers. This is a reason to be really vigilant about what you're putting on your skin and to be thinking about your skin microbiome in terms of the products that you're using and the soap that you're using. Like I said, we are very picky about what we put on our skin, and therefore this is one of the reasons that we started making our own soap. So soaps should not be made with fats that have a large amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids. And that is because polyunsaturated fatty acids, or PUFAs for short, are unstable molecules. They have double bonds in them, and these double bonds are not stable over time. They are sensitive to light, they are sensitive to heat, they're sensitive to oxygen, and these factors can cause these fats to break down, to become oxidized, and to become rancid. We're sort of at the tip of the iceberg in discovering how toxic some of the breakdown products from polyunsaturated fatty acids are. This is why we chose to make our own soap made of beef tallow and coconut oil. So both beef tallow and coconut oil are very stable fats. They have a high degree of saturation. They have a very low amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids, and they are stable over a long period of time. In addition, we only use essential oils as scents in our soap. We never use synthetic fragrance oils. So if that is something you might be interested in trying, you can check us out at ancestralevolution.net to get your very own bar of tallow soap and try it out and see what you think. I hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.